where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is great to be back today.
It is. How are you doing today, Paul?
I am doing very well, thank you. I had a good breakfast, a big coffee.
A big coffee is a good start. I am doing great too. I am excited for our topic.
Me too. What are we talking about today?
Well, our topic is daily English conversation practice.
Ah, a fantastic topic. Very important.
Yes, we will talk about easy ways to practice English every day, in real life.
I love that. Small talks, easy conversations.
Exactly. But before we start our conversation, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast and you are learning with us, please take 1 second to click the like button.
Yes, a big thumbs up. And please subscribe to Mr. English channel. It helps us so much.
And don't forget to share this episode with a friend who is also learning English.
Thank you, everyone. Your support is amazing.
Okay, Emily, daily conversation. Where do we start?
Let's start with a situation we all know, getting coffee.
Yes, I need my coffee every morning.
Me too. It is a perfect place for easy practice.
Okay, let's practice. You work at the coffee shop. I am the customer.
Hello, welcome. What can I get for you today?
Hello. Can I have one coffee, please?
Sure. A hot coffee or an iced coffee?
Ooh, it is a sunny day. An iced coffee, please.
Good choice. What size? We have small, medium, and large.
A medium, please.
Okay, one medium iced coffee. And would you like milk with that?
No, thank you. Just black.
No problem. Anything else? A cookie? A sandwich?
A cookie sounds nice. Oh, wait. Do you have banana bread?
Let me check. I'm sorry. We don't have banana bread today.
Oh, okay. No problem. Just the chocolate cookie, please.
Great. So that is one medium black iced coffee and one chocolate cookie.
Yes, that's right.
Your total is $6.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your cookie. Your coffee will be ready in 1 minute.
Thank you.
One medium iced coffee.
That's me. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
And scene.
Wow, that was great, Emily.
See, that is a full conversation.
Yes, and the words are simple. One coffee, please.
Do you have?
I am sorry, we don't have.
How much is it?
Here you are.
Have a nice day.
These are super useful phrases. Please and thank you are the best words.
Always. People are very happy when you are polite.
Okay, so we have coffee. What's next?
Let's practice shopping for clothes.
Ooh, okay. My turn to work in the shop.
Okay, I am the customer. I want a new shirt.
Hello? Can I help you?
Hello. Yes, please. I am looking for a t-shirt.
Okay, the t-shirts are over here. What color do you like?
I like blue or green.
We have a very nice blue t-shirt. Look.
Oh, yes. That is a beautiful color. I like it.
What size are you? Small? Medium?
I am a medium.
Here is a medium.
Thank you. Can I try it on?
Yes, of course. The fitting room is over there.
Okay, I tried it. It's perfect. I love the color.
It looks great on you.
Thank you. How much is it?
This t-shirt is $15.
$15. Okay, I will take it.
Great! Will you pay with cash or card?
With card, please.
Okay. All done. Here is your t-shirt in a bag.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a good day.
Thanks. You too. Bye.
We are very good at shopping, Emily.
We are. That was great practice.
The important questions are, can I help you?
I am looking for.
How much is it?
Can I try it on?
I will take it.
Yes. These are so useful.
Okay. What about a different situation? What if I am lost?
Ah, yes. Asking for directions. This can be scary.
Yes, I am in a new city. I don't know where to go.
The first words are always, excuse me.
Excuse me. Yes, that is polite.
Excuse me, I am lost. Can you help me?
Oh, that's a good sentence. Can you help me?
Or you can ask, excuse me, where is the...
Where is the train station?
Where is the big museum?
Where is the bathroom?
Very important question.
Okay, so I ask, excuse me, where is the train station?
And I can answer, oh, it is easy.
Whew, good.
Go straight.
Go straight. Okay.
Then turn left.
Turn left.
The station is on the right.
On the right. Okay. Go straight, turn left, it is on the right.
Yes,
And I say, thank you very much.
you're welcome.
That is not so scary.
No, most people want to help. Just speak slowly and politely.
Excuse me? I will remember that.
Okay, Paul, we practiced shopping, directions, coffee. What about meeting a new person?
Ooh, like at a party or a new class?
Exactly. This is more than just hello.
This is difficult. I get nervous.
Me too sometimes, but it's easy. Let's practice. We are at a party. We don't know each other.
Okay. Hello, my name is Paul.
Hi, Paul. I'm Emily. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, it's very nice. The music is good.
I agree. So, Paul, do you live here?
No, I am visiting. I live in the next town.
Oh, really? What do you do, Paul?
I am a teacher. And you?
I am a writer.
Wow, a writer. That is very interesting.
See? We are having a conversation.
We are. That was easy.
We just ask simple questions. What is your name? What do you do?
Do you live here?
Yes, and a great topic is hobbies.
Hobbies. Yes, people love talking about hobbies.
Let's continue. So, Paul, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read books and I play the guitar.
You play the guitar? That is so cool. I love music.
Thank you. What about you, Emily? What are your hobbies?
We should go hiking sometime.
That sounds like a great idea.
Wow, Paul, I met a new friend.
Yes, talking about hobbies is the best.
What do you do in your free time?
What are your hobbies?
That is so useful. I feel better about meeting new people now.
Me too. Okay, what about making plans with a friend?
Oh, I like this one. We can use our hobbies.
Great idea. Okay, let's practice. I will call you on the phone. Ring, ring. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, Emily. It's Paul.
Oh, hi, Paul. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great. What's up?
I am calling. Are you free on Saturday?
Saturday. Yes, I am free in the afternoon. Why?
Do you want to go to the park? The weather is beautiful.
Go to the park. That is a great idea. I would love to.
Wonderful. What time is good for you?
Is 2 p.m. okay?
2 p.m. is perfect.
Okay, great. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the big clock tower near the park entrance.
The big clock tower. Okay, I know where that is.
Great. So Saturday at 2 p.m.
I am excited.
Me too. Okay, I have to go now. See you on Saturday.
See you then, Paul. Bye.
Bye.
Paul, we have a plan.
Yes, a plan for Saturday.
That was a very natural, easy conversation.
The key phrases are you free on?
Do you want to?
What time is good for you?
Where should we meet?
Let's meet at...
See you on Saturday.
Yes, this is how you make a plan.
What if I am not free? What if I am busy?
Ah, good question. Let's try again. Ring, ring.
Hello?
Hi, Emily. Are you free on Saturday?
Oh, Saturday. I am sorry, Paul. I am busy on Saturday. I am visiting my family.
Oh, okay. No problem. What about Sunday?
Sunday is good. I am free on Sunday.
Great. Let's go to the park on Sunday.
Perfect.
See, it's okay to say, I am busy.
I am sorry, I am busy. That is a good phrase.
Yes. Okay, one more. This is a very common one.
What is it?
Talking about the weather.
The classic. Yes. People love to talk about the weather.
It's the easiest way to start a conversation. You are standing waiting for a bus.
Yes. It is quiet.
You can turn to the person next to you and say, "It is a beautiful day today, isn't it?"
Yes. It is beautiful. Very sunny.
See? Conversation.
What if it is bad weather?
Even better. People love to complain about bad weather.
True.
You can say, "Oh, it is so cold today."
Yes, it is. Brr, I need my big coat.
Or, "I can't believe this rain."
I know, it is raining so much. I need my umbrella.
Do you think it will stop?
I hope so.
That's it. That is a full conversation about the weather.
So easy. It is sunny. It is cold. It is raining.
It is hot.
It is windy.
Exactly. Everyone understands the weather.
This is great. We have coffee, shopping, directions, meeting new people, hobbies, plans, and the weather.
That is a lot of conversation practice.
And now, how do we end a conversation?
Yes. Saying goodbye. This is very important.
I cannot just walk away?
No, Emily, please don't. It is not polite.
Okay. So what do I say?
You can give a reason. Well, I have to go now.
I have to go to work.
I have to meet my friend.
It is getting late.
Yes. And then you say something nice. It was nice to talk to you.
It was nice to meet you.
I enjoyed our chat.
And then, goodbye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you soon.
And my favorite, have a nice day.
Have a good evening.
Have a great weekend.
If it is Friday.
Oh, those are so friendly. I like that.
Me too. It makes the conversation end in a happy, polite way.
Wow. Paul, our time is almost finished.
Oh, you are right. See? Time to practice saying goodbye.
Yes. Well, Paul, it was very nice to talk to you today.
It was nice to talk to you too, Emily.
I feel more ready to practice my English.
Me too. And we hope all our listeners feel ready too.
Remember, the most important step is to try.
Yes, don't be afraid. People are very kind.
A simple hello and a smile is a perfect start.
Exactly.
Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Yes, it is. Thank you all so much for listening to Mr. English Channel.
We hope you had fun practicing with us. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, and click that like button if this episode was helpful for you.
And share it with your friends. Let's all learn together.
And we have a question for you.
Oh, yes. In the comments below, please tell us, where do you practice your English?
Yes, do you practice at a coffee shop? Do you practice at work or at the park?
We would love to read your stories. Writing in the comments is also great practice.
It is. We love reading them.
Okay, I have to go now.
Okay, Emily. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Paul. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.